This is Village Auto's 2017 Nissan Altima SV four-door sedan. Exceptionally clean, one-owner vehicle, accident-free, verified through AutoCheck. You have the rear backup camera, dual exhaust, rear defrost, premium alloy wheels with 4 brand new tires. Very well-maintained car. This one does come equipped with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder motor, along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $14,770. Let's get inside here for you. This one is a cloth interior, very clean as you can see. You do have the full power options, power driver side seat, AM/FM CD player with the Bluetooth connectivity and the USB and auxiliary inputs, dual automatic climate control, ice cold AC, steering wheel cruise control along with audio controls and info controls. This one has only 56,000 miles. Altogether very clean, very well maintained car that runs and drives out perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2017 Nissan Altima SV home with you today.